know that Elon Musk once took out personal loans worth billions, using Tesla stock as collateral? And yet, he's still the richest man in the world. His financial moves are as bold as his rockets, but what happens if someone like me tries to live by his money rules for a week? Let's find out. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more crazy financial experiments. Now, unless you've been living under a rock, you know who Elon Musk is. Tech genius, CEO of multiple companies, and arguably the most unconventional billionaire on the planet. But Musk isn't just famous for electric cars and spaceships, he's also known for taking massive financial risks, living frugally at times, and putting all his chips on innovation. So, I decided to spend 1 week managing my money like Musk. Spoiler alert, it's a wild ride. Why would anyone want to do this? Well, Musk's strategies might seem extreme, but they've undeniably made him one of the most successful people of our time. If we can learn even a bit from his approach, we might just unlock new ways to think about our own finances. Here's the thing: managing billions of dollars sounds fun, right? But high net worth individuals, like Musk, face challenges most of us never think about. First off, there's the issue of liquidity. Did you know that most of Musk's net worth isn't even in cash? It's tied up in Tesla and SpaceX stocks. He's even sold his homes and lives a minimalist lifestyle. Secondly, there's debt management. Yep, even billionaires have debt, and sometimes a lot of it. Musk has used loans to leverage his stock holdings. Imagine having billions but still needing loans because your wealth is locked up in assets. Third, high-risk investments. Musk is not your typical play-it-safe investor. He goes all in, often betting everything on innovation. That's not exactly what financial advisors recommend for people like you and me. So the big question is, can someone with a regular bank account mimic these financial strategies without going broke? Let's break down the key pillars of Musk's financial approach and how I tried to apply them. High-risk investments. Musk puts everything on the line for his companies. So, I decided to take 10% of my savings and invest in high-risk stocks. Think startups and emerging tech. Trust me, it's nerve-wracking watching the market swing wildly. Extreme frugality. Musk has famously lived on as little as $1 a day. For the week, I cut out all non-essential expenses: no coffee runs, no dining out, no streaming subscriptions. I even calculated the cost per meal to ensure I was spending as little as possible. Innovation-driven spending. Musk spends money where it fuels innovation. I decided to invest in online courses and tools to upgrade my skills. It felt empowering knowing I was putting money into personal growth. Living frugally while making risky investments is not for the faint of heart. I faced sleepless nights wondering if my stock picks would tank and constant cravings for takeout. But I stuck with it. I knew this experiment was about more than just money, it was about learning to think differently. The most surprising part of the week came when I stumbled upon one of Musk's boldest financial moves: selling nearly all of his physical possessions, including his multi-million-dollar homes, to focus on his companies. Inspired by this, I decided to declutter and sell some unused gadgets and furniture. Surprisingly, I made enough money to cover one of my high-risk stock losses. This decision to simplify actually gave me a sense of clarity and maybe a tiny taste of what Musk was aiming for. On top of that, I realized the emotional attachment we have to stuff often holds us back from making better decisions about where our resources go. Simplifying your surroundings can genuinely free up mental space. And here's the thing: this wasn't just about money. It became about living intentionally. Making deliberate decisions instead of going on autopilot. So, what did I learn from managing my money like Elon Musk for a week? Risk and reward. Strategic risks can pay off, but they're nerve-wracking. While I didn't make millions, I did see some gains and learned how to stomach market volatility. Minimalism works. Cutting out unnecessary expenses helps you focus on what truly matters, both financially and mentally. Simplifying my space gave me peace of mind. Invest in yourself. Innovation-driven spending is a game changer. The course I invested in during this week gave me practical skills I can immediately use. It's clear that Musk's methods aren't for everyone, but adopting even a fraction of his boldness and focus on meaningful investments can change your financial game. Now, am I ready to live like Musk permanently? Probably not. But this week taught me the value of bold financial decisions and frugality. And who knows? Maybe I'll continue to apply some of these principles moving forward with a bit more balance, of course. What do you think about Musk's approach to money? Could you live by these rules for a week? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your take. Also, don't forget to check out my video on beginner investment strategies linked right here. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking for the next big idea, there's something there for everyone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.